Just downloaded just downloaded a game that says real pull the pin game. There's no way that can be real. I've tried it too many times and I've never been able to play the real game. Well,
Oh yeah.
now it seems real.
Here we go. Oops, wrong one, sorry. Here we go. We'll run a rally car with the winter tires, the big magnet. And let's see how quickly we can get through 10. Missed my perfect start already. Racing truck is going to be fast. I wonder if I can get him to hang up here a little bit on anything. It's not looking too good for me. Maybe that was enough. Still got 4:30 to go. This is kind of a long track, which is fine. Now I just got to keep the wind intact here. And this is not a way to do that. Well, most of that was lucky because that was not skill. Sorry about that, guys. That's how not to drive. Oh, hey, day 20, we get some money here. A little coinage. Oh, boss level is Mackie. All right, let's run 3 stages. Level with Mackie here, and let's see if we can beat her. We are going where? Underwater. Oh, man. All right. Oh, do I hate water, but the boss went under the water? That's not too good. She's driving that motorcycle, though. I mean, that leaves a little room for her to screw it up. She'll be pretty fast until she bangs her head on something, I think. Yeah, I'm not doing too good here. I don't want to lose the first one and have to try to come back for two, but I guess that's exactly what happened. All right. This is my perfect start. Suppose she wouldn't be boss level unless she was able to drive that motorcycle down here without hurting herself. I know I wouldn't make it very far. Okay. So it looks like we're going to lose the boss level. That's never fun. All right. Well, boss level with Mackie is a fail. Just in case anybody's keeping score at home. I think we're going to go for 3 on this, but we'll see. Not sure what I could have done any better. I don't have a better car for under the water as far as I know. All right. Well, there we go. 0 for 3 against the Mackie on the big step backwards there. And let's go race the Alligator Cup and see if we can start redeeming ourselves and get to our 10 wins. Way late on the gas pedal there for me. All kinds of problems racing. Okay, not a win. Oh, perfect start there. Oh, missed it again. That was pretty close. Just for moral support, we need another win here. Get back on track. We got one. Seems like we should be in fourth place still at this point in the race. And we did not get a win. All right, we are struggling hard tonight, guys. All right. All right, Dark Roads. Okay, there's one. Another one. Okay, get a little thing going here. It said perfect start, but I don't think the needle was reading right when it hit. I messed that up when I got on that landing there. Dude's way out in front. Not a win. You get a cup win out of that, though. You know, all this racing, and we're only up to 4 wins so far. This is like the worst ever. Okay, there's another one. There's number 5. Number 6. Race hard. Always going for the win every single time. Just gotta not do dumb things that hurt. Gain the lead and don't let it go if you can. Try to hold on to this. And there's another one. So I think that gets us up to 7. Okay. Oh, we're back to boss level with Mackie in the Desert Cup. All right, boss level, here we come. The way we're racing tonight, Mackie might as well just phone this in. No need to actually try. I guess Mackie's got a rally car, so same as me. Just I don't know how she's configured, but better driver, unless she's got some power thing that's gonna help. Yeah, she's doing a power boost on the fuel. That's gonna kill me in all my races. Probably should have did that for mine, but she's gonna have to really mess this up to lose these 2 races now to me. There's a power boost for her. All right, 1-1. Is it possible for me to get this right? Missed my perfect start. And I got the win versus Mackie. Won the boss race. Awesome. All right, there's our 10th win. We need to run one more. Ideally, we win this too, because we're always looking for race wins, trying to get to the 10,000. That's not looking good. Oh, that was close too. Okay, so we're gonna get the cup win here, and we are done with our 10 win on our chest here. Let's go get that. All right, check in with our team stats real quick. I'm at 256 km with just about 5 days to go. We're just slightly behind on our competition race there. Thanks for coming along. Thanks for sticking in there with me during the, let's call it a suckathon. That's what that was. That was terrible racing by me today. I don't know if it was me or just the way the car stacked up, but not good. But we have bad days, and then we carry on. We try again tomorrow. So thanks for coming along. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to build up the subscriber base right now. It's kind of a new channel, so we're trying that. And we'll see you in the next video.